We got a parcel. Let's make this parcel. Open it up. Samsung S10. Oh my god, it's totally messed up. Apply the heat on this. Open the back door. Unscrew. Now let's remove the logic board screws. Disconnect the headphone jack strip. Disconnect the display strip. Disconnect the battery strip. Disconnect the camera strip. And this has been totally rust. The SIM tray has been broken. Motherboard also damaged. Finally take out this logic. The board has been out. In the battery. Let's make side of this old screen. And we have a new screen of Samsung S10. Let's fix and test the screen. Fix the motherboard. Fix the battery. Fix this protection shield. All the setup is done, but this SIM tray is totally messed up. Screen and display. Let's go emergency. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's working properly, man. And it's ready to use now. Thank you guys for watching this video. For more like this video, like and share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.